Hey guys, how are you? It's your boy K2 and I am back with another K-drama video, and this video is gonna be a little different as in this video I'm gonna talk about 8 actresses who rocked short hairstyles in 2020. A lot of leading ladies in K-dramas have long, luscious flowing hair that can be swept up into an elegant ponytail in a matter of seconds. But 2020 has seen the rise of shorter cute cuts. They can be sweet or chic and cool, but overall they are a breath of fresh air. I'm gonna give you a list of 8 actresses who looked amazing in their short hairstyles of their dramas of 2020. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. At number 1, Hwang Jung-yoon. In the drama To All the Guys Who Loved Me. She is no stranger to short hair, but this cropped style is perfection on her. The faultless look matches her personality in the drama To All the Guys Who Loved Me and frames her beautiful bone structure. Hwang Jung-yoon stars in the drama as Seo Yeon-ju, an unlucky in love producer who ends up being torn between two men. With this adorable hairstyle, it's no wonder she has two adorable suitors looking to win her heart. This even shorter style definitely needs to be a regular look for her. At number 2, Jang Nara in the drama Oh My Baby. This adorable cuts only adds to Jang Nara's cuteness in Oh My Baby, where she stars as 39-year-old Jang Hari. Jang Hari is a self-confessed workaholic, so an easy-to-manage short hairstyle is perfect for those fast-paced mornings. After years of pouring herself into her career, Jang Hari realizes there is one thing missing from her life, not a boyfriend but a baby. Deciding not to marry and just skipping ahead to wanting to have a baby, Jang Hari's story is one full of fun and cuteness. Plus, Jang Nara's never seems to age, and this hairstyle really brings out her youth. Number 3, Hanieri in the drama My Unfamiliar Family. Hanieri is stunning in the drama My Unfamiliar Family. The length of her hair is gorgeous and complements her charming face. Hanieri portrays Kim Yoon-hee, a middle child whose family is growing apart. The distance between her and family makes her wish for love and companionship. And when life begins to change, she realizes who is important to her the most. Hanieri's cut is simple and classic but feels so fresh and chic at the same time. Let's hope that this look is here to stay. Number 4, Lee Cho-hee in the drama Once Again. Lee Cho-hee is always rocking shorter hair, but the color is what makes her stand out in this list. The golden tones are perfect for autumn and the relaxed waves are everything. When it's not curled, the thickness that radiates off this cut is amazing. In drama Once Again, Lee Cho-hee stars as Song Dae-hee, the youngest of 4 children. This length really captures the essence of Dae-hee, the sweet, youngest child who is starting to make her way in the world. Lee Cho-hee is so enduring in Once Again, and this sweet but mature looks really suits her. Number 5, Simi Young in the drama My Wonderful Life. Simi Young stars in this body swap drama and shows off a cute bob look, taking on the role of Park Bo-hee, a 30-year-old housewife who faces a lot of hardship. My Wonderful Life drama tells what happens when she swaps body with a rich young woman. She finds a new way of life and this look reflects that. The choppy bangs complete this style and it delicately frames her innocent looking face. Matching the character's personality, this youthful hairstyle is faultless. At number 6, Go Won-hee in the drama Eccentric Chef Moon. She is so good at changing up her styles in dramas, but this sleek wispy fring bob is to die for. She stars as Yo-Yo Jin, a fashion designer of a haute couture in Eccentric Chef Moon, and her hairstyle definitely fits the role. Yo-Yo Jin ends up with amnesia in a countryside village where she encounters Chef Moon Seong-moo, played by Eric. And this style holds up in both situations. As a badass designer, she looks perfect, but as an average woman, this cut is effortless and sweet. No stranger to short hair, Go Won-hee looks like a pure bossy girl in her chic structured suits and equally cool hairstyle. Number 7, Seo Hyun-jin in the drama Black Dog. Seo Hyun-jin stars as devoted teacher Go Han-yeol in Black Dog, and her stylish bob looks very professional. When one of her school trips nearly ends in disaster, as a child she vows to live her life in respect of the teacher who saved her life. Becoming a teacher herself, she wishes to make an impact on her students' lives as well. Although her work outfit can make her look like a strict educator, her hairstyle adds a hint of cuteness and warmth to her aura. And at last, at number 8, Lee Ruby in the drama Love Revolution. Lee Ruby sports an immaculate middle part with a super dark bob in high school drama Love Revolution. A middle part can sometimes be difficult to pull off, but Lee Ruby does it with ease. She stars as Wang Zarim, who is known for being cold and mysterious, but who catches the eye of Gong Zo Young, played by Park Ji Hoon. He is determined to melt her heart no matter what it takes. A sassy short style like this is ideal for high school students who want to look cool at school. So that was a wrap on this video, guys. I really do hope that you have liked this experimental video, and if you have watched this video till here, just give a thumbs up to the video, guys, and just don't forget to subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you haven't followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you as well. It's called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. I will see you later. As always, your K2, love, peace and hugs. It's really been a pleasure.